Alright, so we have our setup here where we have a resistor, an inductor, and a power supply that are wired in series. And then we're going to close the switch here and we're going to allow the maximum current to be reached. We're then going to open this switch, close this switch, so we just have the resistor and the inductor in the circuit together so that the current can be allowed to decay. And we're given the resistance of the resistor, the voltage of our power supply, and we want to know what the maximum current is. So we learned that the maximum current can essentially be found using Ohm's law. So I've solved here for the maximum current using the provided EMF and resistance. In part B, then, we want to know what the inductance of the inductor is, given that we know at a particular time what the current is. So I pulled out my decay information here, because remember we're dealing with a current decay. I plugged in the current and the time. Remember, ms is not meters per second, it's milliseconds, so I'm multiplying by 10 to the minus 3 here. I plugged in the resistance given in the problem and the maximum current I found in part A, and that allows me to solve for the inductance, and don't forget the units of inductance are henries.